We know that people who are in close relationships are happier and healthier, and they live longer than people who are socially isolated. However, we've been less certain about why that's the case. In the absence of this information, everyone has tended to assume that relationships are beneficial because of the support that we receive from our relationship partners. However, empirical tests of this idea have not supported the idea. They've produced contradictory findings. Sometimes they show that receiving support is actually harmful to the well-being of the recipient. So, first of all, these findings were inspired by a theory of close relationships that I developed with my father, Mike Brown, who's a psychology professor at Pacific Lutheran University. And our theory effectively recasts the functional significance of close relationships as designed to promote giving behavior instead of to promote receiving, trying to get things from our relationship partners. In my previous work, we've measured what people give, what people receive, and in fact, the entire effect of social contact on longevity has been mediated by what people do to help others as opposed to what they receive from others. I take an evolutionary perspective. I've argued that there's an evolved capacity to provide care to others, and that this is rooted in the need for social mammals to take care of their offspring, and that this essentially selected for a caregiving motivational system that social mammals have and that humans have, and that this caregiving motivational system, when it's engaged, is beneficial for health because it helps to reduce exposure to harmful or toxic levels of stress. These findings support or provide further evidence in favor of the idea that our social relationships really might be more about what we give to one another as opposed to what we receive from one another.